Today we're going to make some adorable neon valentines. Let's get started. I have several rocks that are base coated black, and I'm going to use my white chalk pencil to line out the design. So I'm starting out with a heart, and then I'm going to use some paint pens from my neon set, but you can do this with acrylic paint, other paint pens, whatever you want to do. So first I'm going to take a lighter version of my colors and fill in this heart kind of thick. So I want it to have thickness because we're going to put some lines in the middle of it and around it. So starting out with this paint pen on this next rock, I'm going to line out X's and O's because that's kind of a fun Valentine design. And I'm going to use two different colors for my neon paint set. And these ones are almost like, I think I'd classify them as like pastel neon. They're in the neon set, but they're the lighter colors, so they kind of have a pastel quality to them. But again, same thing, kind of lining it out, sort of thick and bubbly. And on this one, I'm going to attempt to draw a set of lips. It's a little bit harder than it looks, and I was looking at something for reference, but I don't think these lips came out quite as full as I would have liked. The Kardashians would have been disappointed in me, but that's okay. These are normal lips, I guess. And I'm going to use a nice neon paint pen. There are a couple ways to do this, and one of the ways is to create another border of color around. So this initial heart was kind of a cross between pink and an orange. So I got the orange neon pen that's a little bit brighter, a little bit darker, and I'm going to create an outline on both the outside and the inside of the heart. This just gives it a little more dimension and kind of that flowing of colors from lighter to darker that you would think of when you see like a neon light that's glowing. So borders on the inside and the out, and then I'm going to come back with a white paint pen and we're going to make a white line through the center of the heart. So, and that's kind of the, I guess you would think of it as the light bulb, the neon light bulb kind of shining bright, and it's the lightest color, and then it glows out into these lighter and then darker colors. You can also skip right to the white line and not do the extra line of color around the outside. So that's what I'm going to do on these last two rocks, is just go straight to the white paint pen. This is a Posca PC1MR, and I'm just creating that white line in the center of the colored design. So that's why we made it nice and thick and chunky, so that this white line would be nice and clear in the middle. To take the neon effect to the next level, I'm going to add some extreme hologram glitter paint to the white line just to make it pop and sparkle a little extra. And this glitter really pops once the resin goes on, which we know that's what happens, right? The resin just brings out that sparkle and pop. And you have these awesome neon valentines to hide in the community or give as gifts. I'm still not completely happy with the way the lips came out, but they're natural. We're going to embrace the imperfections, and we're staying away from all the Botox. I really like the way the X's and O's came out. This one I think might be my favorite, or this pink heart that I didn't show you in the video. Thanks so much for stopping by to watch, and I'll see you next time. Take care.